this mindset, I think, needs to be set. Most of the time, when people from sales in the Taiwanese company are talking, their objective is to close the order. They want to understand what is the requirement, what is the customer, who is the customer, and same way, most of the Indian people, they just want the cheapest price, and they are not trying to understand the Taiwan industry and the ecosystem, that how they are in a position to deal. So I'm just leaving a food for thought about we need to do something about changing the mindset of the people on both sides and bring the feeling of partnership rather than supplier and customer. The other point that I would like to say is that over a period of time, India also has got many design houses. So there are people who are able to design the product. But just like my friend from NASCOM said, the problem is how to make a prototype. I have the design, I have the concept, I have the idea, but how do I make a prototype? This is a big challenge. Now, this is something that has been happening in Taiwan for 40 years. I mean, this is how everything started in Taiwan. So you are very familiar to this problem and the solution of the problem. That when there is an idea of an electronic product, how exactly it can be converted into prototype quickly, tested, so that it becomes ready for mass manufacturing. So I feel that there need to be some way of Taiwanese companies to come out and see how they can collaborate with Indian companies so that there can be many prototype houses in India. It can be a joint venture between a Taiwan company and an Indian company. There is a huge potential for collaboration between the Taiwan company and the Indian company. And it is not that the Indian company is looking for Taiwan to bring money to India. What we are looking for is the technology, is the collaboration, so that the Indian company can do the manufacture. It is impossible for a Taiwan company to come to India, buy land, start an office, and develop the business on their own. They need to collaborate with somebody Indian. And that is how the best solution can be worked out. So that is all what I would like to say at this stage. And if there are any further questions or any further discussion, I think we can do it offline.